What's good, YouTube? This your boy, the finesse guy, 80 Diggity, J Diggy 92, coming at y'all with something a little different. So, what I wanted to do, some of y'all may have seen, may not have seen. I recently designed a pair of Travis Scott Vans or whatever, right off of Vans website, and I was like, you know what? It would be dope to where I know a lot of people going to try to recreate or might try to recreate the shoe or whatever. And so I just felt like, you know what? I thought it would be cool to try to like walk y'all through it step by step. A lot of people might know, might not know, you can create your own custom Vans from their website. So I figured I just, you know, I try to help out, look out or whatever. So that's what this video is. Just basically me showing y'all how I created them so you can make your own pair. So with that being said, as y'all can see, we clearly on Vans website. Go to where it says customs, and what I do, I just click custom, then it'll load up, get started. Let me go ahead and edit myself a little bit so y'all can see more of that and less of me. Alright, so what you want to click right here is where it says old school. You want to hit old school. And the pair I use, just because like I said, it was more comfort, and plus I like this little checkerboard right here, is the Skate Old School. It has more padding, like it says, classic style with upgraded cushioning and durability. Vans Skate Classics are built to last longer with reinforced abrasion areas and provide the extra support and cushioning demanded by the world's best professional skaters. I basically chose this because I really like the materials. I felt like all this wording right here just meant better materials and more cushion and more comfort. So, and plus, like I said, I really like this checkerboard, like stripe or tag right here that's on this stripe, on the Vans stripe. So, go ahead and click that. Let it load up. Alright, so you really gotta do all that shit. Just hit skip to get started. So for the toe box, what I did, I used all materials. So I picked, I'm pretty sure, I picked this brown right here. You could use like a different color brown if you wanted more vibrant or whatever. I just felt like this right here mimicked the best color, at least in my opinion, of the Travis Scott. So I put this brown right here. Go next to the quarters area, which is this portion right here that just highlighted red. Let me pull it up just to make sure. Alright, so I made that part black. So what you want to do, you go into materials again, make sure this is always on materials. Click right here, suede. I use basically all suede throughout the whole fucking shoe. Make that black. Next up, click next. Side stripe. I wish I could have made it like eggshell white or something, but I just left it regular white because they didn't have any other options. So leave that as white. The heel, I made it this brown once again that we put on the toe box. Click next. Collar lining. Now it doesn't really matter, but for me I like the darker option just because I felt like white shoes, like the white collar with like black socks or any kind of other socks, could bleed off on it sometimes. So I just made it black, and plus I just thought it looked better with the whole like the side panel right here being black. I just felt like the black interior looked a lot better too. Alright, so where it says eyelets at, right, I used, if I'm not mistaken, I think I used like black or brown. Yeah, I used black. So I used black. You can basically use whatever color you want. I just put black so it'll blend better with the brown that we're about to get into using. So eye stay. The eye stay is right where the eyelets, eye holes, whatever you want to call them, go. And once again, hit materials. Go over here, and it's this brown suede right here. Basically I used this brown the entire time for this shoe. I didn't really try to mix it up just because I didn't feel the need to. Now as far as tongue goes, I use black materials, black suede, And then the binding should be, yep, this top portion right here. I use black on that one as well. If they let me scroll over, I couldn't see, my bad, y'all. So just scroll over, find black, click black, and then it's gonna be black. Alright, so that's the binding. Sidewall, what I went with, just because I didn't want that all like fucking white shoe, I actually went with this marshmallow color, just so like it looked more Travis-esque, because I couldn't get like that really like dark, not like deep brown that the Travis Scotts are. So I just went with this marshmallow color. That way it's not that blinding white like this, and it's not really taking away too much from the shoe. Kind of dulls it down, so you focus more on here than you do that the fact that this shit is like bright as hell. You could use black. I didn't like it, but I like this marshmallow, and then this just blended in too much with that, so that's why I went with marshmallow. Laces, now I used pink laces, where you see right here the prism pink. They provided me with extra white laces. I'm not sure if that was on purpose. I'm not sure if that was a mistake, but they gave them to me. I took them. So me, I like the pink laces in Travis Scott's, so that's exactly what I went with. Now with that being said, everything is done. Make sure you triple double check your work, just to make sure everything is just exactly how you want it. Now you see right here, $100. Click that. Get your size. For me, I wear an 11.5 in Vans. Add the cart. Add them to your cart. And then from here, you'll hit checkout. You can do PayPal Pay in 4, which is really good. That way you can split this $100 up into 4 payments of $25. I'm not sure if they have like Klarna or anything else like that, but basically simple, easy video of how I made my Travis Scott Vans. So make sure I hit that thumbs up, that like button. If y'all want more stuff like this, to where if I make a custom shoe, I'll show y'all exactly how I made it. Just let me know. I think this is pretty cool. Like, it's kind of nice. I think it's pretty cool. But yeah, man, I'm your boy, the Finesse Guy, E Diggity, J Diggy 92. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button, share with your homies, share with the gang, and yeah, man, I love y'all. Thank you for watching. Like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Y'all be easy. Peace.